very lucky. It was amazing experience for us.
It's a family car, it's a luxury car, and it's an off-road car. So I have all the needs I want in the car. That's why I like it, Tom. The best, yeah. It's the best car.
Personally, I will choose the H9 behind me. This car is really strong and really fast. The chassis, you can feel it when you're inside the car of the Safari. It's very strong and you barely feel anything when we're going up the hills.
Great Wall Moto is the high. No can compete with them because the new generation is the best.
GWM, go with more.